Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your smart thermostat with Honeywell Home app, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that your smart thermostat is installed and powered on. Download the Honeywell Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account and once logged in, tap on Add Device on the home screen. Select thermostat from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your thermostat model. Ensure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. The app will guide you to connect your thermostat to your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials when prompted. Once connected, the app will prompt you to verify the thermostat. Check your thermostat display for a verification code. Enter the code into the Honeywell Home app. After entering the code, tap on Verify. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message in the app. You can now customize your thermostat settings directly from the app. Explore the features available, such as scheduling and temperature control. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app. Your smart thermostat is now fully verified and connected. Enjoy the convenience of managing your thermostat from anywhere with your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.